So it is 24 November and I started attending the lecture. This is a zoology lecture and I was writing the notes simultaneously, and then actually I bought this new case where I can keep my books because I don't have a lot of space in my cupboard right now because there have been so many books. So I got this one, and then I also bought a new pouch or compass, whatever you say. And the fan that we are having in our room is not working, so it is very difficult to sit at the place. So after that I started making some diagrams. This was actually the homework of biology, so I just started making the diagrams. I know that making diagrams in biology, when you have taken science field and then you have taken PCB, so it's very important making diagrams because in biology diagrams are very important. So yeah, it's like a practice as well as my completion of my homework. So I was making, the first I made the diagram of the heart and then the like excretory system and so on. I keep on making the diagrams, and then the cross section of the kidney. These were the three diagrams that I draw, and actually I had two more diagrams. Two more diagrams, but I'm not sure whether I am supposed to draw that or not, so I just draw this three. Okay, so actually I had a lot of work, so I just draw this as quick as possible. After that I started making like a breakfast, you can say, or a snack like thing. Actually we had some rice, so I decided to make some fried rice. So for that I took some cabbage, carrot, some onions and sorted them very nicely, and then added the what is called red chili sauce and some soya sauce, और उसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लिया. और फिर उसमें एक्चुअली ये जो कैमरा है मेरे भाई ने पकड़ा था बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट होल्डिंग द कैमरा प्रॉपरली एंड दस द वीडियो इज़ नॉट दैट प्रॉपर. उसके बाद मैंने उसके अंदर सॉल्ट डाला एंड देन आई एडेड द राइस विच वॉज लाइक रह गया था, तो मैंने वही यूज़ कर रही हूँ बिकॉज लाइक कुछ सब्जी होती है जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आती है, तो मैं खाना नहीं खाती, तो मैंने सोचा कि यही बना लेती हूँ. सो फिर मैंने इसको मिक्स किया अच्छे से, थोड़ा करके मिक्स कर रही थी बिकॉज अगर एक साथ मिक्स कर देती तो शायद ऐसा हो जाता कि ज़्यादा राइस चला जाता, वरना ऐसे हो जाता. तो मैं धीरे धीरे करके थोड़ा राइस ऐड कर रही थी. बाद में मैंने ऐड किया इसके अंदर सेजवान सॉस या सेजवान चटनी, पता नहीं, या इन दोनों में से कुछ, तो सिर्फ सेजवान चटनी या सेजवान सॉस, आई थिंक सेजवान सॉस था वो. ओके, सो वो मिक्स किया और फिर उसको अच्छे से मिक्स किया और बहुत ज़्यादा मिक्स किया एंड देन इट वाज रेडी. एंड इसके बाद मैंने एक लाइक ऑमलेट भी बनाया था और उसके ऊपर ऑमलेट भी डाला. और इसके बाद में एक्चुअली मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि ये थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी नहीं है, तो मैंने इसके साथ ऊपर से और ज़्यादा सेजवान चटनी डाल दिया एंड इट वाज सो गुड. और ऊपर से ये एक एग के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था. फिर यहाँ पे मेरे पास कुछ चीज़ें हैं, जैसे कि ये कैंडल है बेसिकली, इसके अंदर से बहुत अच्छे से स्मेल आती है एंड आई हैव दिस फरेरो रोशर जो कि अभी मैं खा जाऊँगी. ओके, I really like this, but I have not tried it a lot of times. Maybe I have tried this for the first time. No, not the first time. I don't know basically, but I have tasted this type of taste. Okay, then I have this nacho chips and all. So basically, I was showing you this candle. This has a nice fragrance, and even if you don't light it up, it has a very good smell. I just showed you like how does it looks when you light it up. Okay, so इसको मैंने अभी यूज़ नहीं करी, मतलब मैंने बंद कर दिया because I just wanted to show you guys, and then I just kept it at a place in my near my desk. Okay, this was so good, this smells so good. Okay, then I started with my biology session of body fluids and circulation. I was attending the class and then I was just making the notes, making some diagrams. As I told, in biology diagrams are must, so yeah, I have these sketch pens and all to make me understand the diagrams in a better way. So yeah, I am using that and making the diagrams. So making notes is like very important for me because I don't like when it is exam time, I just read these notes and these are very useful because at exam time you don't have a lot of time to read the textbooks and all. So yeah, I just read these notes, and yeah, textbook I just see them. Okay, and then here I was not completing, I was listening to a lecture and making the notes. Actually this was a YouTube video which I was preferring to, and it is very easy for me to understand through this videos. So yeah, I just prefer it. Okay, then it was like about 3:49 and so, and then I just took a little break, and then again I just started with my notes. I just kept all the things back where it was, and then I took took a little break, and after that I started again at 4:18. Actually it was 4:15, but it just like on the laptop and taking out my all the things, so it just go on. So I just started a timer, and then I was reading the book, like it was a test book, so I was reading the whatever I have learned, means in the lecture whatever I have learned that particular topic. I was just revising and reading the textbook, and marking the important points, and also noting down some points which were be missing. So yeah, it was about 29 minutes and so, and then I was just reading, and reading makes like very good. Okay, and I have actually read this lesson in my school when we were having some free period. So I read this NCERT book there, and I was reading this extra textbook, so that was very good. And then after that I again started making the remaining notes, which was like I completed the like erythrocytes till erythrocyte, leukocytes and thrombocytes. So I've completed that particular part, and then I was like, okay, I was a little tired, I know, but then I took a little break. That was, I think, from, I don't remember, wait, I need to see. Okay, so that was from 1744, means 5:44 or 45. Okay, it's 5:45, and then again at 5:58 or like almost 6 o'clock I started again with chemistry. And chemistry I was lagging a lot, and actually I got a less marks as well in chemistry. You may have been seeing my marks whatever I have gotten in chemistry. So yeah, I just started chemistry. This is not the lesson which is going to come in the exams of right now, but I'm learning this because this was a term 1 portion, but I have not read this lesson, but this is an important lesson, so I am reading it. So yeah, I was just writing the notes and watching a video, which was a YouTube video, and then I was like writing it out, and it was very easy. It was just 30 minutes and so video, and it just explained the whole lesson in a one go. So this is what I have written, and then I again started making the diagrams, which I told that I have to make total remaining 2 diagrams are left. So I just started making the last diagram. The one diagram I have already made in the class itself, because we were having a free period, so only one diagram was left for me to make. So I started making that, and it took almost like 5 to 7 10 minutes maximum that. And after that I started completing my chemistry notes, because that day I didn't took my book, and means there was no chemistry period, so I didn't took my book because definitely, but sir took the proxy period. So after that I had my pineapples. I don't know how many people eats pineapple like this, like putting sugar on this. Like, yeah, I know that the pineapple is very sweet, but still I put that. I don't know why. Okay, then again I started back with my studies, and this is the next day. Okay, about 4:15 and so I started attending the lecture and writing the notes simultaneously. And actually I didn't I think few days I'm not gonna record any vlog like that, because I am having a wedding. I have to attend a wedding, which is my Udhu Mama's wedding. So yeah, I have to attend that. After that I had vada pav. Actually today you won't believe, but I have 2 vada pav and 4 samosas. Can you just imagine that? So yeah, that's it for the video. And अभी कुछ दिनों के लिए तो वो vlog कुछ मैं बनाने नहीं वाली, because मैं अभी wedding में जा रही हूँ. So tada, bye bye.